How do you make sure search engines can understand your site well? Can you help them in that process? I am Deepa Maran from Digital Brand Expressions, and let's see some of the issues search engines have in understanding your site and how you can help the process. Search engines understand your site mainly by reading the content of your site. And there are some sites that have images as headers or even sometimes have the whole text embedded in an image. Search engines cannot read the image and understand the text embedded in the image. So the best possible solution is to replace the image with text. If that is not possible, use image replacement techniques to tell the search engines what the text is about. Or if both of the cases are not possible, the third alternate is to have alt text for the image to tell the search engine what the text is. But you have to note that alt text is not given the same weight as the regular text that you are using in your website. The same thing goes for Flash. Even though Adobe recently has teamed up with both Google and Yahoo to enable them the technology so that they can read the Flash better, there are still some issues with Flash. For example, if you are launching your Flash using JavaScript, since search engines cannot read JavaScript, they cannot follow and index your Flash. So the better solution is to have Flash replacement techniques to tell the search engines and users who don't have Flash to tell them what the Flash page is about. Speaking of JavaScript, if you have your site page cluttered with JavaScript, search engines have to dig their way through to get the content of your site. So the best practice is to separate all these JavaScript functions in an external .js file and to call them whenever necessary. This way your site will have clean code and search engines won't have problem getting the content of your site. In addition to the page content, search engines also understand your site by looking at the title tag. Title tag is the text that shows up in the top of your browser when you open up a page. But some sites have the same title tag for all the pages or only the company name as a title tag. In these cases, title tag is not that useful to the search engines. So make sure that you have page-specific unique title tags that tell the search engines exactly what the page is about. And in addition to the title tag and the page content, search engines also understand your website by looking at what the other sites are telling about your site. They read the text in the anchor text in the link that is coming to you. So how do you help in this case? You have to make sure that your site has useful and interesting content that other webmasters would want to link to you. In addition to the incoming links, search engines also try to understand your site by looking at the outgoing links of your site. So make sure that you link to the sites that are relevant to your industry and that are useful to your visitors.